Hey everyone, this is Melissa Zonin. I am the media specialist at Pope High School, and today I'm just going to give you a really quick tutorial on how to get your articles saved into your Google Drive or your Office 365 account. So I am in the Gale literature database, so you can go to any of the Gale databases and they're all going to work the same way. And I'm just going to do a quick search for Hamlet, and I am going to just, for today's journey here, I'm just going to pick that very first one so that we can get into an article. So let's say that I have found the perfect article for my research and I definitely want to save this so that I can make sure that I have it for later. You have a couple of options. The first option is right here at the top of the article. You can click on either the Google Drive button or the Office 365 button, or you can go here to the Send To button and then you have your options here as well. So when I click on the Google Drive, it's going to pop up and just say which account do you want it saved to. And I'm going to click my account, and then it comes up with a box and it'll say your documents have been sent to Google Drive. If you weren't already logged into Google Drive, it'll just prompt you to log in. And so I'm just going to hit OK. So it kind of seems like nothing has happened. However, if I go over to my Google Drive, then what it does is it automatically creates a folder in your Google Drive that is going to be the title of whatever the database is that you're using. So in my Google Drive right here, it automatically created this folder. I did not do this. So the Gale literature folder, if I open it up, I should see, and right there it is, I have this article that I just pulled or just saved rather from the Gale database. And if I scroll down, I've got my full text of the article, and all the way at the bottom I still have my citation in MLA format, so I have everything I need for later on when I'm doing more of my research. If I go back over here, I can do the same thing with my Office 365. It'll automatically prompt you to log in. It may ask you to accept the permissions, and then again it will say that it has been put into your OneDrive. And so then when you go into your OneDrive, again, you're going to see that folder that's automatically created, and you'll be able to go and find your documents. I hope that helps you with your saving. It's always good to do that rather than to print something out. That way you have it accessible to you no matter where you are. If you have any questions about how to do this, or if you're running into any trouble, just reach out to the media specialist at your school and they will be happy to help you.